Hello, Pastor. My name is Don Blanton. I'm with Making Noise Ministries. As a former pastor and media specialist, God has called me to Tanzania, and I am working with Pastor Tukambali, who is the general superintendent, to work with the churches here in Tanzania, as well as here in the school, in helping them understand the better uses of sound and media as the church here is growing. They have an amazing vision here. Over the next 13 years, they're hoping to plant 40,000 new churches, raise up 40,000 new pastors, and along with that, they want to reach 9 million people. And they understand that the use of technology is going to be crucial in that. And so that's why my heart and their heart is partnering together. As I said, I'm right here. I'm on the campus of CBC in Dodoma. And this is in the process of becoming the new headquarters for the Tanzania Assemblies of God. Everything's being moved here so they can be more centralized. One of the reasons why I'm reaching out to you today is because we are looking for support. We are a new missionary ministry here. Due to COVID, we've almost lost a year in our training and our planning that we had planned for here. Part of my reason for being in this trip was to work with a major event that we had last week, where we saw over 4,000 college-age students come and hear the gospel, worship the Lord till 5 a.m. in the morning. Okay, we saw hundreds come to Christ. And part of that was helping work with the media and the training. As a former sound engineer for concerts for major acts all across, and toured the country several times, and that my knowledge is being put to use here as they're planning more and more of these outreaches. So we need your support, and I'm reaching out to you just to say hello, put a face to the name for those who don't know me. And at this point, I would love to make contact with you, plan to come to see your church. Currently, we're, like I said, we're raising support personally for our support to be able to travel back and forth from the States. We're not going to be resident missionaries. Our work is a little different, but I will be coming back here to CBC to teach classes. There's 4 classes that we're going to be teaching as part of a degree program that they are now offering with music and media. 2 of the classes will be required. The other 2 will be more specialized classes. We also will be working with major events, including general councils and regional councils and things of that nature here within the country. And so my plan is to be here to help out with those events, here, find out what the needs are, then come back, help raise more support to meet those needs. Our biggest need right now is the sound system here at CBC is not adequate. As a matter of fact, last year for the General Council, the president of the country was invited to come and speak, and they would not allow them to even use the system that they had here. They had to bring one in from the outside. So part of what we want to do is upgrade that so they are in a better position to bring in anybody they want. They have quality sound, just like you want in your church. They desperately need it here. Much of the equipment that's in this room is at least 30 years old, some of it even older than that, and it was used when they got it. So we want to help them out because, again, this is going to become the new Springfield for Tanzania. So I'm reaching out to you for that. Best way to find out more about who we are is to go to www.makingnoiseministries.org. You can also reach me at makingnoiseministries@gmail.com, or you can call me at 330-998-4627. Take phone calls, text messages. However, I'd love to come and share what God's doing here in Tanzania and how your church can be a part of it. So I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.